Like, just take it in. Like, take everything in right now. And that's what life is about. Life. Yes, my people, what's going on? Today's the 25th of March, 2023, day one of the birthday vlog. So, literally, what I'm doing right now is I'm just waiting around like a zombie, just doing nothing. Because my girl has plans for me, and she told me to pull up at a certain location at a certain time. But I don't have the location. I'm literally waiting for her to send me the text so I can pull up. Then after that, we're going to do our little thing. And yeah. Thing is, right now we're in tough times. The weather is just miserable. Like, look at these guys. Miserable weather, my people. And that's a little hint on what this vlog is going to be about. So we're flying out to a nice sunny location and all that. And yeah, I'm just going to bring you guys along with me. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog and all that shit. As you can see, I got the twist out today. Usually I rock the braids, but switch it up and all that shit. But anyway, I'm waiting for the text message from my girl to let me know when to pull up. Okay, my people. So, touchdown the hotel. I got the text. And yeah, I'm ready for the surprise and that. I have to wait in the rain. Looking for this place, trying to get parking. But that doesn't matter because we're here now. And yeah, we're gonna go to the room. There's the planner right there. Yeah. But yeah, let's just see what the vibe is saying for the birthday boy. So we're looking for room 150.
I'm not asking
140. Some say we're nearly there.
Yeah, baby cake. Hello, guys.
Ooh. I got the VIP.
There we go. Okay, wait, no, I want to do this.
So touchdown.
Lift my D.
150. Yeah. We don't touch down, my people.
Wait, fuck. I just remembered one part, sorry.
Picture perfect moment,
I'm so sorry. Oh my god, Lucy.
Can you believe it?
Wait, I was connecting her again because she disconnected.
Gonna have to cut this out, my people. Gonna have to cut this part out of the vlog. Okay,
go on.
If Kayaki can't air heart. If Kayaki can't air heart, hold this.
Maybe you need it. Is your airport's done?
There you go. Try again.
You ain't supposed to do your airports. It's disconnected the whole bleeding thing.
So what's happening now?
I'm trying to play music.
You can just add music to it. Yeah. Anyway, can you believe this just happened? Anyway, my people, let's see what my girl got for me in Zach. Yo, she did that, yo.
For the light.
She did that shit. We got sidetracked a little bit. I got a nice cheesecake here from a lady, Got the wine. We're gonna sip. But I'm not going to lie to you guys. It feels good being appreciated like this, And yeah, I'm just happy right now. And ain't no better thing in life than just happiness. So this is to being 20 motherfucking 6, y'all. But it's not my birthday today to get that shit. It's my birthday in 2 days. In 2 days is my birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy early birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Baba. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Can I make a wish now?
Please make a wish. A few seconds too. Alright, can I ask what you wish for?
I can't tell you what I wish for, lady. I wish I could, but I can't.
No. Peace, sir. Thank God.
So, my people, it's the next day. It's 9:09 in the morning. We're in the airport. There's the planner right there. She's doing her thing in it. But we out here. Energy's on E for exhausted. Yeah. Gonna board the plane in a few minutes. Gate closes in like 30 minutes. Yeah. So we touched down. Still not gonna tell you the location just yet, but it's a nice little hot country. At the moment I'm wearing this jacket. It is hot and I'm sweating. So plan is we're gonna go towards the hotel, catch a taxi, get some food because we haven't eaten since last night. Last night went to bed at like 11ish, woke up at 6 a.m. obviously, took the flight, no time for breakfast and all that shit. So we are hungry. Get rid of all this extra shit and get comfortable, you know? So in a few years, yeah?
Yeah.
You see all these people?
Yeah.
These are my fans. They're all Denzel FX, you know? So, touchdown. Look at the views we have. We got baby girl. We got some icicle. Something there. As you can see, this is what we're working with. Yesterday we had rain, you know, but today we got sunshine. We don't touch down next location. This is where we beating. Woo! We on the 9th motherfucking floor. This is what we're eating. But yeah, my people, right now we are in Spain. Barcelona. Gonna go get some food because we haven't eaten and I'm just so tired. So yeah. What is going on, my people? As you can see, it's the birthday, 7:42. We're taking our first trade of the week. We're going for buys on AUD CAD. Just set my stop loss. Just there. Boom. we're gonna see where this trade plays out during the week and all that shit. And yeah, I'm also gonna get my TP on TradingView, copy SL, and your TP is set. Especially analysis is quite simple. I actually call this on my pre-market analysis videos. As you can see, what we have is a breaker structure. Price is moving correctively to this zone. This is a nice buying zone, as you can see. So I'm gonna go for buys from here to up here. Boom. And this is a 1:3.8. I'm risking 0.5%. At the same time, the reason why I went for these buys is because simply price broke structure here. It didn't move correctively to the counter to the trend. Instead, it kept on pushing towards the downside like so. Below these levels, we had a false break, retest, boom, boom. So I'm going to see, hopefully, if this trade will take it from here all the way to these levels here to possibly form a head and shoulder. So that's the left shoulder, that's the head, that's the right shoulder. And that's pretty much it for now. I'm gonna go to the gym in the morning, downstairs, see what that's saying, do up spa, get breakfast, and then just see what the day has to offer. So yeah, my people, I'm gonna leave it at that. Let's just see how this trade plays out during the day. So yeah, we literally just hit the gym, got breakfast in bed for the birthday boy. And yeah, if you know anime, if you know about Ippo, Ippo is the man. But yeah, we're gonna do up spa after this, then get the day going, my people. We're trying to get lost for a bit. We're gonna go get food, and after food, main event, we're gonna go see Mr. Jonathan Wicked the Fourth. What you know about John Wick? But anyway, I like John Wick. Sick guy. He's always doing some mad shit, and yeah, hopefully he defeats all his enemies and all that in this one. And yeah, we're just gonna continue getting lost in that.
Yes, early bird catches the worm, my people. As you can see, we're out here. It is currently 6:46 a.m. It's day 3. Today we're doing up horse riding and shit. Not gonna lie, right now it's actually raining, so maybe the weather is just like this in the mornings and all that shit. So we'll see what the weather's saying later on, you know. So we're just waiting, getting ready, gonna go get breakfast, then just get the day started.
people, that's gonna sum up the Barcelona birthday trip. If you made it this far, I rate you. Obviously, you watched to the very end. Enjoy. I'm gonna see you in the next pre-market analysis. We're gonna do another travel vlog sometime very soon. But I'm gonna leave it at that. Let there be peace in the Middle East, and let my brothers and sisters be safe.